So in order to set up our microphone, just make sure it's hooked up right now to our USB port or USB-C with an adapter. Do not use hubs. Hubs make this not work properly. And then we're gonna have to go into system preferences. So on our Macs, we should see system preferences down here below. Or if you don't see it, don't worry, on the top right hand corner, you guys will see the spotlight search and just look for system preferences. Once we open up system preferences, you will see all these options, and our fourth option down here below will be sound. So just click on sound. Under sound, without installing anything, no drivers, nothing, no programs, you will see these two options: internal microphone, which is what I'm using right now, and then Yeti stereo microphone. So right now what I'm gonna do is just click on Yeti stereo microphone. Once I click on my Yeti stereo microphone, which is what I just clicked on right now, I will, maybe some of you might have touched the mute on your microphone itself. So if you guys see a red blinking light on your microphone on the front, then that on top of that it says mute. So just click on it again to unmute it, and that way you guys will see that this is working. And how do you guys know this is working? Well, you will see input levels right here, and I can see when I'm talking, this is actually doing that. And I can adjust any sensitivity levels like doing so, or I can turn it down like so, like right now. So what I suggest is keeping it usually around there, or if you guys want, right there. And yes, there's other things that we can mess around with our microphone, which I'm going to show you up next. But right now, you're basically done your setup within your computer. Now, additional things you might want to set up in your room are like these things right here, so you won't get that echo that you're actually hearing right now. This is a new setup for a studio, so that's why we don't have these set up just yet, but we will put them all the way around, and also get a pop filter like so to help you out with the sound. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.